Welcome to Fibocan's YouTube channel. You have done the right decision in your life by coming into Fibocan's YouTube channel. Who is Fibocan? Fibocan is a wealth enabler. How do we enable wealth? We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, enabling students, investors to devise their own investment strategies through our comprehensive training programs and innovative investment strategies. So what do? We have published educational videos 1 to 16, module 1 to 16 in English and Tamil. The modules that start from basics of banking, capital market, investments, how to do investment, technical analysis, options, futures, then strategies of options and futures, and finally income tax on derivatives. To begin with, all these 16 modules are available both in English and Tamil. I would request you to go and select the appropriate playlist and watch all the videos and put your comments. So that is the step one. Every day we put videos about market commentaries. Please understand that we are not SEBI registered. Hence, we cannot give any recommendations. We will say whether it is looking good, technically sound, technically weak, has to be cautious. These kind of things we will give, but we will not give any price targets, or we will not give any stock recommendations. Only thing is that we are here to give technical education, imparting technical knowledge to anyone and everyone through our free educational videos, which we put every day on the daily markets, and during weekends we put about global markets. So I would request and encourage anyone in the age group of 17, 18, those who are studying in HSC, higher secondary or plus 2, to watch module 1 to 4, definitely either in English or Tamil, whichever language you understand out of these two languages. And anybody who is doing BA, BCom should watch up to module 8. And those who are doing MBA, CA, CFA or any professional or postgraduates should watch up to module 15. And for professional traders, it is ideally suited for them to watch module 16. I am sure that you will enjoy watching and enhancing your knowledge. Thank you very much. Today is October 28, 2023, Saturday. As always, in the weekends, we put the global market videos in 3 parts. Part 1 will have Dow, Nasdaq, S&P FTSE and CBOE VIX, basically the indices, and in part 2 dollar index and its components, and also USD INR, and in part 3 we put Brent, NYMEX and US 10-year treasury yield. Of course, this is for the previous week. In this case, the week ending for the week of October 23 Monday till October 27 Friday. So first the levels, then we go into the discussion part of it. Dow closed 32,418, 2.1% down. Nasdaq 2.5% down, closed at 12,643. S&P closed at 4,117.37, 2.5% down. FTSE down 1.5%, 7,291. In this month, overall, all these indices excepting Dow, which is down by 3%, all the other 3 indices are down by 4%. Overall, in this calendar year, in this year 2023, Dow and FTSE is down 2%, S&P is up 7%, while Nasdaq is up 20%. So what happened? See, last week, if you recollect, it formed a solid red candle. So it continued. Last week, it formed a solid bearish engulf, after which it formed yet another solid red candle, all the 3 indices. And not only that, it is below the Bollinger Lower Band in the daily chart and in the weekly chart. Very powerful push given by the bears down. It is decisively below. Nasdaq, S&P and FTSE is decisively below the 50-week and the 100-week moving average, 100-week exponential moving average. Whereas Nasdaq slightly above the 100-week, 100-week moving average and exponential moving average, whereas it is also below the 50-week moving average. In the daily chart, all the 4 indices are decisively below all the moving averages, whether it is simple moving average or exponential moving average, starting from 50-day to 200-day. So that means there is a significant downward trend that had happened in the market in the last 2-3 weeks, in last 2 weeks in particular, because of which it has decisively broken all key levels. In the monthly chart, all the 3 indices barring FTSE, of course FTSE has also formed red candle, all the 3 indices have formed a solid red candle in the last 3 months. and below the Bollinger middle band. The next level of support in the monthly chart is the 50-month moving average and 50-month exponential moving average. FTSE also formed a solid red candle, but in the previous week, because it formed a green candle, it has not formed a similar type of candle as that of Dow, S&P and Nasdaq. So, but what is going to happen? The month is going to more or less close around these levels where it is now. Don't expect a big up move or down move, but what the chances of bears are going short at these levels, the risk to reward is not that great as opposed to a strong bounce back that is possible. Because in the monthly chart, when I analyze the monthly chart, it has formed solid 3 red candles in the monthly chart, as I mentioned, which means the rising 3 methods next month it can form, which means next month it has chance of bouncing. So hence next month, November can be a bounce month, hence one has to be cautious. But overall the trend is, it is significantly down, because of which the entire global markets is down. Next is CBOE VIX, which is at 21.27. Last week it closed above the Bollinger upper band in the weekly chart. This week also it formed a long lower leg, but managed to close above the upper band, which we had said last week also. So because of which in the daily chart it has formed a second green candle in the monthly chart, and in the daily chart, though it came in between, it is once again continuing its up move. So with this, overall the texture and structure of the global market is down and out, but there is some chance of revival in November. We have to see how it happens. Thank you. We'll see in part 2.